Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Java on Windows 11. Well, the first step is to open the browser and type cmd. Here we will type cls. Then we will type Java version. If you get this, you don't have Java installed, so we will proceed to install it step by step. Well, the first step would be to open Google. Here we will look for Oracle Java Install. Click on this. Click here in Windows. Now download the installer. Now right-click on it and hit Run as administrator. Here, just follow my steps. Okay, now go to this PC. Click on the disk on which you installed Java, Program Files, Java. Select this folder, Bin, and click here to copy the address. Now, open the browser and search for Settings. Here, look for Environment and click on this one. Click on Advanced. Click here. Here, scroll down and look for Path. Edit. Edit Text. And here you go to the end and paste the address of the folder you copied earlier. Now click on New. Here you put Java_home. Now go back to the folder. Click here and copy the address. Paste it here. Okay. Now, to check that it has been installed correctly, we will go to the browser, search for cmd, type in cls. Now type Java version, and here you can see that it is installed correctly. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.